right, it's another beautiful day, and you are onto the program Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk is a program where we use multiple languages. That we speak English, we speak Pidgin, and any other language that can catch our fancy. And of course, that we have listeners and viewers that will be able to understand or comprehend what we are saying. My name is Ehis Agbon, and Make Them Talk. Our program where they say we will bring up issues so it will happen for Nigeria. And of course, we will see how we will analyze them so that people will understand what it be. Today, now the first edition, what we do for this new quarter, when we start for Procyon Radio. And other days we will come, we will bring guests come studio. We talk about all of these things, and we will generally see how we will make our country, Nigeria, a better country through conversation, what would they hold, and how would they involve and engage people. For the program today, we get plenty things where we will talk, but if we say maybe we want to carry all begin talk, we have to finish all the whole talk today, so we'll just concentrate for on top only two. The first one will majorly be the issue of constituency project for Nigeria, and the way we say our politicians then they take constituency project now, and the thing where constituency project don't turn to. We will also go through Nigeria website, go look the latest story where they happened there, and we'll try analyze and equate some of the stories so that everybody will understand what it be. Through Nigeria, of course, now media website where we say they partner with Procyon Radio and Television, and also for Truth Nigeria, their own they say they will help you discover the truth about Nigeria. Now the thing where then they talk with that, and also it be for their side. So we're going to look at the stories where we say they rain for there, stories where we say they're on top. Their website, and we'll analyze them and bring them to now. But first, we would like to start with the first item, will be the item of, say, constituency projects. When I know, say, for Nigeria, when they talk about constituency project, the first thing they come people mind, we say, then go, they look, say, senators want to dash them money because, say, anything constituency means, say, them they carry money come to one share. They forget the constituency project not be to share money, but rather to do things which go make life better for people who live for that constituency. Now that will be the first thing when we will talk. Meanwhile, for those who say they would like to be part of the program, maybe they don't forget say they will join us for our social media handle, will be at Procyon RTV. At Procyon RTV. At Procyon RTV, they for Facebook, they for YouTube. Procyon TV also for TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and we did for Thread. At Procyon RTV, for those who say that for radio they just hear us, we will spell at Procyon RTV now PROCYONROTV. And for those who say they go our website, of course, now know how to spell the Procyon and other things. So make una just join us, make together, we will carry it the water and the make things better for country people. Now, when we talk of constituency project, it's where they come our mind. We say, recently, one senator for Kano, where name be, what will be that name again? Hanga, Rufai Sani Hanga, he National Assembly member, and he they represent Kano Central constituency for the National Assembly. Recently, now him is say the project well, the thing what he will do for him people now to buy the things so they bury dead body. Yes, burial materials like the white one that they wrap dead body, the thing when they put inside, the pot where they say they will prepare the grave and all of that. Now him they say when they say on the rain for news, on the sharp, on the top. But yesterday evening, now the senator come out say, first of all, this thing no be seen a constituency project to be for him. And the thing where we say from his family they don't they do right from the days of his grandfather. His grandfather they buy burial materials give people. Also, his father buy burial materials give people. And him, even before him become senator, he don't they buy burial material give people. So no be constituency project that he carry and do. He say he no regret say him buy this thing called give people in constituency because plenty people don't come complain give us since when him become senator talk say him maybe they do this thing for them, no they do them again, and then they suffer well and they don't get materials to bury their dead body properly. Why many people they yab and say, so we're going to do things for the living, and the body now concentrate on so they do things for. And for part of the thing we talk about, just put a small talk inside the quotes when he called for the press release when he do the thing. And I decided to spread the gesture to all the 15 local government areas of my constituency, apart from the purchase and donation of clay pots and other burial materials. I delivered a lot of other dividends of democracy to my constituency. Now, what can talk that? Now, what will be the dividend of democracy when they talk? I mean, the thing where we say make people begin worry, say people they are alive, hunger won't kill them. You don't concentrate on them to help them. Now, don't say don't die. Now you talk to you want buy mat when they wrap them, the white cloth when they wrap them, and the clay pot when they prepare the burial ground. So why not make you concentrate on the living instead of on dead body? That one, like the first item, like I talk. Whoever get any comment or observation to make, now go our social media handle at Procyon RTV, for Facebook, for TikTok, for YouTube, for Instagram, and for Thread and Dropper. Of course, now also if you call our number, if you want to make contribution to the program, the number one I will call now 0809 799 1989 or 0809 4646 206. That be the two numbers we say I will call and the program and make them talk. If they can reach now for Procyon radio and television. And if you see us for Procyon television, then I just go the website of procyonnews.com. Once that read there, we can open the website. We now go see our television handle. You can click them. You can watch us live. And also, if you go YouTube at Procyon RTV, go watch us live. And for Facebook, that's still at Procyon RTV. Like I told before, we're there for everywhere. But meanwhile, to make it very easy for you, sir, you just go download Procyon Radio and Television app from Google Play Store. Once you download this Procyon Radio and Television app from Google Play Store, to begin, see what we do will just say easy for you. Because say all you need to do now to watch and listen to us from there. The next thing we'll talk today, now to go through Nigeria website, where we say the major story waiting for Truth Nigeria website, we say the first one, Boko Haram degraded by 90%, Northeast Theater Commander. Now they talk that one. Now know the kind of war where Boko Haram, the warriors for Nigeria, and the way soldiers they try their best to make sure say they see how to take defeat Boko Haram. Now I want to know more of that. This one I'll go truthnigeria.com. The second story where we say also the front page of truthnigeria.com. Analysis story, and this one now analysis where people do Nigeria Army touts peace agreement amid ongoing violence in Plateau State. That also Nigeria Army they propose they arrange this agreement for the ongoing begin where we say they happen for Plateau State. The third item when we say also there for the Nigeria.com website now. Genocide scholars in Washington call for investigation of blasphemy murder of Deborah Emmanuel in Nigerian Supreme Court. One story where we say we will also encourage you to make them go through Nigeria.com to go look the story. For this particular story, that they look at Deborah Emmanuel where we say they kill him, they stone him to death, talk say insult the cross of Islam. If you open the story now, see what's inside and how they talk. Maybe like say with the just give a headline, we don't put small salt during the headline when we give that. We open the first story and see what they say. They talk inside this story. And that first story when I talk, so we go open now the story on Boko Haram degraded by 90%. We come from Northeast Commander of the soldier where we say that they fight Boko Haram for that part of the country. So if you open the story, you're going to see the thing where we say the yarn for there. And waiting the yarn for there, the story just won't open for the website and the story will open soon. open so that we will read and give and make us see the things where they talk about inside the story. As that one they open, we will also like to tell us the website of Truth Nigeria now www.truthnigeria.com, and the website they are available for now to go see what did happen there. The story one I they talk about now. Look at Benet and Mike Ode James when they say they be reporters for Nigeria, and then what people may do carry this story on. Now I will just yarn the story for now, then we'll go analyze that together. Boko Haram, the smaller of the two ISIS insurgencies, staging murderous campaign in Nigeria since 2009 has been decimated by 90%, said Major General Waidi Shaibu, Commander, North-East Joint Task Force to Truth Nigeria in an exclusive chat. The commander of the joint operation, Adim K, talked with Truth Nigeria correspondent in Maiduguri, Borno State, North-East Nigeria. Shaibu fielded questions from our reporters at the handover ceremony of the rescue Chibok girl Lydia Simon on Thursday, May 10. The commander said that Boko Haram, which they translated the Western education they forbidden, has suffered severe defeat and has greatly lost its capacity for combat. As a result, it has resorted to planting mines and blowing up vehicles on highway, forcing drivers to join 2,000 vehicle convoy creeping behind the enemy mine-sweeping truck. This one are waiting in talk for that Boko Haram story where the talk say they don't decimate them by more than 90%. The second story one will look for Truth Nigeria. The analysis story one I talk with Nigeria Army. The reason I say make them do peace agreement amid ongoing violence from Plateau State. And this particular story, now one of our reporters there submit some of the Kenya one that used Basara came. Let's say local resident claim army sides with terrorists, mislabeled citizen guard trying to defend neighborhood. So as Basara came right now, Boko's residents in Central Plateau State claim the army is imposing peace deal in communities reeling from months of terrorist attack, claiming that it is the referee standing between warring militia. The army has announced through official tweet on X is implementing a non-kinetic approach to confrontation between militia groups. Representative of the Majority Christian Natives Association has cried foul, charging that the army covered up extrajudicial killing of students and pointing out that the army narrative buried by fact of long-standing terrorist land grab by radicalized Islamists in the state. This story too, a story will be shown at supposednigeria.com to go find out more details on the story so that we will understand what the story is about and how of course the residents they complain say the setway soldiers say they want settle, then notice that correct settlement. So it be like say the soldier want to style, they support one side against the other side, and that's why then they complain. 08097991989 and 08094646206. That be the number one I will call for those who will say they want to be part of the program. Don't forget, so now if you go all of our social media handles to go drop comment and observation in respect of the Tory one I hear, the one will be say straight to for Bele one I would like to come out quote. All right, well, now don't forget, say the program now make them talk. They can reach now from Procyon radio and television. And also for on the program, those who are there on television, I can also drop in our comments. Well, I just click at our television panel and I will see them or drop comment. Drop them and we will read them for owner right here for the program. Make them talk. All right. The third story for Truth Nigeria website. Now, genocide scholars in Washington calls for investigation of blasphemy order of Deborah Emmanuel by Nigerian Supreme Court. This one, another story will be say carry heavy weight. This particular one is from Washington DC, the rightanswer.com. And basically they remember the Deborah Emmanuel, where we see that for Sokoto then kill him some 2 years ago, talk say him blasphemy against the prophet of Islam. But from the story one that they write, they talk say don't be issue of blasphemy because but rather they don't plan this thing long ago before they eventually carry them out. So even police and other security agents, they know about this thing and they don't do anything. And then they talk say Supreme Court supposed to set up committee where go investigate and look this thing, and those will be say responsible for the killing, they suppose prosecute them and send them to prison if they find them guilty. Let me see whether they just keep quiet and allow the thing just go like that. In this particular story, now Douglas Gray Butler and he write am from Washington DC, and him say we need to hold people accountable. Not be everything we go to the street enter under carpet. But when I go to truthnigeria.com to read the details, understand how this story be and waiting the story they all about. All right. Remain only 4 minutes before we end the program this morning. Meanwhile, I quickly check whether some people don't drop comments and observations for any of our handle where we read them out, given them for here, so that on ourselves will understand what in the program they're about and what in people they talk about the program. So far, we never get any comment and observation, and this one is very, very understandable because now today we start the program. But I believe by tomorrow, next tomorrow, and other days to come, people they drop their comments and observations on the program. Even after the program, I think on YouTube, go see what's in the happen there, and also go out of their mouth or choke on their mouth for the discussion. What would they discuss there? 0809 4646 and 0809 799 1989. That be the number where you should call us and go that will feel join us talk on top the program. Make them talk. And the regional on top Procyon radio and television. And as we wrap up, I want to appreciate everybody for studio. We still enjoying to make sure see this program on regional the way it's supposed to reach you now. I would like to thank Dominia Emmanuel, thank Nifemi Onibiyo, and also thank Sarah Agbon for all of the things we then do. My name is Ehis Agbon. Until tomorrow, when we say we'll come again to continue from where we stop the program today. And remember to download the Procyon Radio and TV app, and also make that go YouTube, search for at Procyon RTV. Also that search for Procyon RTV for YouTube. Make that follow us, subscribe to our channel, make that like the thing want to see there, and make that also share them so that other people will benefit from the good things we be saying that just enjoy. Also don't forget to go Google Play Store, go download the Procyon Radio and TV app so that when I can listen to us, when I can watch us, and I can read things about ProcyonNews.com. Anywhere when I go on our phone or other mobile devices. And like always, we tell them, say, make that planting water and make that watch out. But don't forget to shine like the star where we be.
Are you seeking the truth about Nigeria? Do you want a reliable source for unbiased news and insightful analysis? Then look no further, cause Truth Nigeria got you covered. Explore truthnigeria.com for real stories that matter, ranging from governance to international politics. Uncover the reality behind the headlines. Truth Nigeria, where facts meets clarity. Discover the truth about Nigeria today. Visit truthnigeria.com now.